Hello guys, welcome to our creativity channel and I am Swarnagu Ganguly. And first of all, I want to say a Merry Christmas to all of you. And today I am reviewing a legendary product known as the HCL Me Excite M05. Yes, you're right, the HCL Me Excite M05. Think what is it? If you can search the internet, search it now and comment below. Yes, if you have commented, I will respond. So let's start. So here is this product. It's 10 years old, 10 to 11 years old, and my father was been using it when I was very small. So now I use this one for my projects. It does not have any internet support, but it's very good. The hardware quality is very strong and high quality. So I am just unpacking it. This is the bag. It's made of synthetic cotton, and here is the product. So product is here. As you can see this product, sorry, I want to only show you this. So here's the product, and the product actually came with Windows XP version 2002, and it's the home edition, but later it has been updated to Windows 7 Home Basic version. I mean, the version is of 2009. So this is after the starter edition. I am been using it. Some features are less in Windows 7, but normally it works. But as it is old, it will make sounds in the cooling vent. So I will be showing you another two parts, that is the charger, the charger cable, and this is the resistor or something else. What is called is the, I mean, this is the socket and this is the charger itself. So I am plugging it. As you can see, this one was announced by HCL Infosystems Limited in March 2008, and my father bought it in 2009, as he said to me. So let's start up. Before I start up the system, remember this is an old product and it may cause some problems, and the charger is being changed. The original charger was actually destroyed because it was very old, but this notebook has hopefully survived. So I will be starting up the system now. Let me plug into the charger. Battery down. So here, light glows. Light is glowing here, and there is a special feature, that is here. When you switch it on, it will show you light, and there is the parts I am introducing here. That is here. Here is the VGA cable. Here is the Ethernet cable. This is the USB 1, and this is the USB. This is also USB 1, and here is the MMC card. MMC card inserter. And another side, there will be here. This is the power one. This is charging. This is hard disk security, and another one is that Ethernet or Bluetooth action indicator. These are the indicators. Another side is the charger, which I have plugged in one end, and another USB and two microphone jack and earphone jack. So there is another thing that is known as Kensington lock. I'm starting up this system. So here the system is starting up. I am pressing here and it will show you HCLV welcome screen. I think it's starting up. Green light is glowing here. And see. It will make some sound because of its cold and wait for 2 minutes, it will start up. So let's pause. Cursor is showing and here it is showing welcome. Let me take this quite closer so that you can see. Here welcome screen comes Windows 7 Home Basic. So here are my projects. This is my personal one. Startup sound and hard disk activity is going here. Yes, but sadly here the keyboard does not work because it's very old, so the keyboard does not work. But still I could manage with the keyboard I have. I will be reviewing in the next video. So here you will get 6 programs of Excel. 6 to 7 programs of Excel. So if you can see clearly or not, please comment. I think some is clear, some is not. This is 1080p camera. So here is the camera. This camera also does not work because it's old. As this is an old model, so it is going to perish, but I will be refurbishing this because this type of notebook is very rare. This type of notebook is very rare and you can't get it at this price. It started from rupees 19,600 and now it's no longer available. So the notebooks you will get will be more, I mean the sky high price is there. And so here is the Windows 7. As you can see, this is the obsolete version of Windows and there is no longer support of Microsoft. So Windows 7 Home Basic actually started from 2008 and actually evolved in 2009 and now it has been obsolete in January 14. So what to say, if you like this notebook, please comment in my YouTube channel. And here is the design. The design is here. This is HCL and you will get the product key here. Product key is here. RAM is here. It's 1 GB RAM, 160 GB storage. Previously it was 250 GB, but it was being changed for operating system because it will not update. Because it's a notebook, it will not update. In big laptops it updates. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please comment more, like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you.